Check it out. Check it out, yeah, it's that southern vibe in my big truck rolling with Lindsay by my side. Better than any other cowgirls with style and grace. Let me lace these country vibes up in this place. Kicking back by the lake, yeah, that's my scene. Got tequila shots lined up, feeling keen. Not the back of the club, but the dock tonight, where the sun's setting down, painting the water right. I love it when you call me Big Cowboy. Throw your hands in the air if you're feeling that joy. I love it when you call me Big Cowboy. In my pickup, yeah, it's all decked out with a boat hitched up, let's head out south. Ladies dancing in the sand, throwing sparks in the air. They know I'm higher than low grade, got that southern flair. She's got that blonde hair flowing like Tennessee gold, sipping on tequila and the vibe's pure gold. So I slide up close, say, what's your name, darling? She laughs and says, keep on with that charm, man. I love it when you call me Big Cowboy. Throw your hat in the air, let's make some noise. I love it when you call me Big Cowboy. To the honeys riding waves, bringing all that joy. I love it when you call me Big Cowboy. If you got a boat in the lake nearby, we're tearing up the water all night. Check it. That blonde on the dock's a real southern queen. Boats and tequila, yeah, we're living the dream. Got the good stuff flowing in the sunshine glowing. Country beats blending with that Big E flowing. We're talking sunshine, lake views, and tequila shots. Cowboy hats, bikinis, and beachy spots. She's smiling at me, throwing her boots in the sand. In this lifted up Chevy, yeah, we're taking a stand. Forget the penthouse, we're heading down to the shore with the stars as our witness, yeah, couldn't ask for more. I love it when you call me Big Cowboy. Throw your hands in the air if you're feeling that joy. I love it when you call me Big Cowboy. To the honeys on the water making some noise. I love it when you call me Big Cowboy. We got tequila in hand and waves at our feet. Country remix bringing that heat. Yeah, check it out, it's a southern vibe. Biggie in the back, country girls by my side. To all the ladies tonight, blonde hair, blue jeans, it's both tequila and American dreams. I love it when you call me Big Cowboy. Tip your hat to the night if you're feeling the joy. I love it when you call me Big Cowboy. We'll be doing this every weekend, girls and boys. Yeah, Junior Mafia meets Cowboy Crew, country remix, Biggie Smalls.